Hi there, this is Leo Locher and I'm the author of the book The DIY Phoenix, and this is kind of like a virtual book tour. I'm going to be reading a few excerpts. This one is from the section about building your outer support squad. Stay just the way you are is a common wish for someone's birthday in southern Germany, where I spent most of my formative years. To me, it always sounded like a curse. I wanted to change, to become someone better, to move away and to improve my station in life. Some people are lucky and have a loving, supportive family and a good group of friends or community that will stay with them for most of their lives. Others are not so lucky. Sometimes we have to find our own people and make our own family, essentially. Then a bit later in the chapter, on social media, we are all a little bit more perfect. Where we actually are in our lives and what we actually need never tends to make it onto there or gets heavily edited, particularly if we work in a mostly professional, mostly middle-class-ish sort of work environment. We rightfully protect our reputation and whatever professional credentials we can still hold on to in this economy. But sometimes our facade prevents us from having the real conversations. This is not an invitation to bare your soul in front of the entire world without any filter or form of judgment. But do find the people you can have the real conversations with. And then we miss out on a lot of potential help that would actually be really, really useful with the doing, with actual practical things that make a difference. So basically, that's the invitation to keep finding people that are your kind of people and that really have your best interest in mind. And sometimes we have to be a little bit vulnerable to do that.